Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano List video. And in this video, I will be showing you how you can buy Freedom Dollar or fUSD on the Zano Trade platform. And it's very simple to do. So obviously I'm doing this on desktop and you're going to need a Zano desktop wallet app. And it also needs an alias link to it. And then you're going to also need Zano Companion, which is a Chrome extension or Brave extension. Then what we can do is scroll down on the Freedom Dollar website, which is freedomdollar.com. Go to supported exchange section and click the Zano icon here. This will give you a direct link to the Freedom Dollar or fUSD listing on the Zano Trade platform. Then what we can do is connect our wallet on the top right. This is going to connect the Zano companion app there. Then we can scroll down. And as you can see, we can see Market Shaker, which is instant. But these are buy orders, right? So we are looking for people that are selling fUSD for Zano. Scroll down where you can see Market Shaker, which is the instant seller. Click this icon here. Then what we want to buy one fUSD. Then I'm going to click buy it. And then as you can see on the right here, you're going to see my orders. And I'm going to accept the order with Market Shaker, but simply by clicking apply here. Once I click apply, the Zano extension will pop up, and then you can review your request swap. So as you can see, I'm going to be sending this amount to Zano and receiving one fUSD. I'm going to click confirm, and that's done. So now if I go to my Zano wallet, so as you can see, I have now received in my wallet the fUSD. But as you can see, it's not showing up. So I'm going to show you how you can whitelist fUSD into your Zano desktop wallet app. So what you need to do is go back to freedomdollar.com. If I scroll down to the bottom here, to the footer, I will see the asset ID here. I can simply click copy, open up the Zano wallet app again, click these three dots, whitelist an asset, and then simply paste that in, and then click add token. And as you can see, I have now added Freedom Dollar. Click OK. And if I just refresh this, as you can see, I have now received one fUSD. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have found it helpful.